Properly securing little ones in their car seats is always a priority when you have kids along for the ride. It's not just about getting the kids buckled into the car, SUV, or minivan, it's a matter of securing the proper installation of car seats in your vehicle. Several decades ago, car seats employed the same seatbelts used for adults, but threaded through the car seats in various ways, which was an exercise in patience and ingenuity. Today, there's the much simpler to use latch system, making securing car seats far more straightforward. But even today, as easy as it is to install a car or booster seat, many children aren't appropriately restrained. While we show you the cars that we think are the best for fitting 3 car seats across in the second row in 2025, here are some more things to consider about car seat installation and safety. A 2023 report released jointly by AAA and Chico, a car seat manufacturer, found that nearly half of children injured in car crashes and over half of children killed in crashes were not using car seats. Instead, they were either buckled into a vehicle seatbelt or completely unrestrained. There are a variety of car seats that your child will need as they grow, and each has a different shape. Trying to fit 3 across in a single row in any combination can be challenging. Plus, the car seat combination you have today may change as your family grows. Here are some possibilities to consider today and in the future. 3 forward-facing car seats, 1 booster, 1 infant rear-facing, and 1 front-facing seat with a harness, 2 rear-facing infant seats with 1 booster, and 3 rear-facing convertible seats. For more advice and tips on the subject of car seats, make sure you head to kbb.com.